44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue gang don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah. On the road. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 44 gang, what's happening? It's your boy Hemi like 44 back with another video for y'all, man. Hey, if y'all new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse. We're going about 2021, the rest of 2021. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all go to hemilike44.com, get your merch. Also, follow the podcast, the Fifth Quarter Podcast. Subscribe to that channel on YouTube now. Today, this video, as y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title, man, this video is about the new release Dodge has made. Now, I really wanted to get out and drive my car, but the weather is not allowing that, you know what I mean? Matter of fact, for those that are new to the channel, let me show y'all the car right quick. It's in a garage. My garage is I got a lot of stuff for this small garage, man. So y'all just bear with me. I put it neatly as possible, you know what I mean? So don't be talking about how messy my garage is. Let me show y'all the car right quick. First thing first, look at this, man. My kids just come here and throw their bikes down how they want them or put them how they want them, and they be half, you know what I'm saying? They half sit them up and the bike fall over, risking hitting my car. I keep telling them all the time, sit these bikes up the right way. You know what I'm saying? But look at this. Bike could have failed to hit my car. Bike could have failed to hit my car. You know what I mean? But this is my car right here, man. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of wet outside, so I'm not gonna pull it out. I don't wanna get it dirty. But you know, this is for new people that's been around, been subscribed to my channel. Y'all seen my car, man. But I figured I'd show y'all, because I'm pretty sure because of the title of this video, I might get some people that haven't, you know what I'm saying, seen my car before. So I'll just show you the car. Ford Giotto, those are 22s. Oh yeah, Toyo Proxy ST3s, man. Good tires, real good tires. Wrap done by A to Z Wraps, man. Y'all make sure y'all check out A to Z Wraps. You know what I'm saying? Same thing done over here. You know what I'm saying? He just put this wrap together for me. You know what I'm saying? Something he came off the top of his head with. You know what I'm saying? I got a little insides done a little bit. You know what I mean? I got a little bit of the insides done. Got the stars in the roof. Got the Hemi light right there. And of course we banging. Y'all know we bang. Y'all see them knobs right there. Y'all can't really see it, but we banging. Then of course we got up under the hood done. Grocery Getters Racing. Grocery Getter Racing. I don't know why I always put an S on it. Grocery Getter Racing on Instagram. If y'all want one of those, customized how you want it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go get that done. And don't say nothing about this right here. My filter, where is my filter at? Yo, that's crazy. Oh my God, bro. My filter is gone. Where my filter at? Hold on. So if y'all familiar, If y'all familiar with my last video, my filter, you know, this is the leg maker intake, right? The leg maker intake goes all the way down here, and the filter is sitting right here on your air vent, so you get a clean airflow and a good airflow. But my filter, I guess, was lightly screwed on, and I was at a car show and I noticed, well, my partner noticed that it was off of my other part, which the other part is in the car, because I gotta go take it to get put back on. I don't want to forget, so I left it in the car, so every time I get in the car I see it. You know what I'm saying? So it was off, so we tried to put it back on, and when we tried to put it back on, we couldn't even get the other part back down in there, so we had to keep this part out. But bro, it looks like my filter is not even in my car no more. Hold on, can y'all see it in there? My filter is gone, bro. That's crazy. Or is it over here? I can't tell. Maybe let me stick my arm down there. See, here it is. I can't get it out. But let me put it where y'all can see it. Let me put it where y'all can see it. Now y'all can see it. It was over here, like it was back over in my bumper, and I couldn't see it. You know what I mean? So, but it's right here, and it's too big to come out of this hole. So I just got to take it back to the shop who tuned my car and get it put back on, man. But y'all see it right there. I got to get it put back on. It's not a big deal, because can't no dirt get up in here from right here. It'd be hard for dirt to come all the way up in here and go up in there, so it's all right. But what this video is about, man, this video is about the new Hellcat, the 2022 Hellcat, man, the 2022 Hellcat Redeye Wide Body Jailbreak. But what it is, it's a 2022 Hellcat. Pretty much, it's just strictly, it's a Redeye. It's a Redeye Hellcat. But the reason they call it a jailbreak is really only because they letting you design the car how you want it. So it comes with different features, as far as different exterior colors, which is the outside, interior colors. So pretty much, you know how when you go, I'm pretty sure everybody done it before. Everybody that went to the Dodge website, or whatever your dream car is. Everybody that went to their website, whether you can afford the car or not, because I know I done it before I can afford it. And you build the car that you want, you know what I mean, or how you want your car. So say for instance, you want a red car with black seats and red brake calipers. You go build that car. But now you can do that, but now you can order it with more colors, for example. That's the reason they call it a jailbreak, because they letting you do so much to the car. You know what I'm saying? You can order a black car. I'm gonna say it like this, so y'all can get a full picture. You can order a black car with blue brake calipers, with gray interior, with 4 different options of steering wheels. Obviously different colors, but with red badges. You know what I'm saying? I mean, nobody's gonna order a car like that color. You know what I'm saying? But it may be people out here that ain't got no good taste. You know what I'm saying? And they might do that. So for the people that don't have good taste, Dodge actually already have packages that they put together that look good. You know what I'm saying? Because some people just don't know how to put cars together. You know what I'm saying? And it's some they do, but some actually don't. They don't know what look good, or they don't know if this will look good or that'll look good, or they don't really know how to combine those colors together, combine those colors together and make it look good. So Dodge did it for you. They got like 5 different packages that they put together that you can choose from. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much what the jailbreak is, man. Now, me personally, is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Is it worth trading in your Hellcat Redeye wide body for a jailbreak? I don't think so, because pretty much, like I said, the only thing that it offers is different packages, colors. You know what I'm saying? Seat belts. You can do your different seat belt colors, brake caliper colors. You can change the floor mat colors to how you want them. Change the interior. It's a lot of stuff that they offering. You know what I'm saying? So that's the reason they call it a jailbreak. It's 807 horsepower, so which is 10 more horsepower than the recent Hellcats. You know what I mean? So it's not noticeable. You're not gonna have a noticeable horsepower. 10 horsepower ain't noticeable. You know what I'm saying? That ain't really noticeable. You know you got it, but you ain't gonna feel it like that. So, me personally, I feel, is it worth it? Yes and no. Because it's worth it because, for example, when you buy the car, most people mod their cars. When I say mod, I'm not just talking about engine. People use the word mod and strictly think engine, but the word mod is short for modification. So anything that you do to your car that didn't come on that car is a modification. So that's a mod, you know what I mean? So most people mod their cars and they do the interior, may change the brake calibers. And for the people that want to keep it simple, just change the brake calibers to match, change the seat belts, do the little small stuff. Instead of you spending your money outside of, you know what I'm saying, after you buy the car, order it like that and you good to go. You know what I'm saying? To come like that from the dealership with those color combinations on how you want it. So that's pretty much what the jailbreak is, man. It's not a special type Hellcat, special edition. I mean, it is, but it's pretty much gonna look the exact same as all the other Hellcats, you know what I mean? All the Chargers, the Challengers. But it's like over 20 different things you can change, man. It's over 20 different features they offer for the jailbreak. So it is a lot more. But me personally, I don't know. I'm good with my 392, man. That's one reason why I haven't got a Hellcat. You know, back when I was trying to get it, or I ain't gonna say trying to get it, when I decided to go on and try to get the Hellcat, it was when they took the prices up. And I got approved for a couple of them, bro, but I wasn't finna pay what they was trying to get me to pay on a Hellcat. Like, you know what I'm saying? It was used Hellcats and they wanted 79,000, 80,000. Like, bro, come on, man. These are used. These not even red eyes. Like, come on, I'm not gonna pay that. So I'm good with my 392. And me personally, that's kind of, I feel like that's kind of what, I ain't gonna say hurt me as a YouTuber, but me personally, I've never been a follower, bro. I don't do what other people do. That's just me. But in the YouTube world, you kind of gotta do you kind of gotta go with what's trending. And during that time, Hellcats, you know what I'm saying? Hellcats were trending. You type up Hellcats, you getting views. You know what I'm saying? You put Hellcat in the title, you getting views. But I ain't never been a follower, bro. I'm good with my 392. I'm comfortable with it. Like, I done got this car to I done been 170 in my other car. Not 170, it was 160, like 167 or something. In the Challenger that I had. You know what I'm saying? And that was a 392 SRT. So it's like, where is a spot where I'm gonna do much any faster than that? Most people love Hellcats because of the whine, which is a big deal. But I can pro charge my car and get a lovely sound, as y'all seen in my other video. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. My partner got a pro charge, supercharged Hellcat. You know, I mean, supercharged 392. Sound amazing. So I can get something like that. I ain't gotta go buy no Hellcat, man. He got Hellcat power. Like, I don't have to do that. So that's just me. I've never been a follower. You know what I'm saying? I wanted a Hellcat at one point. Now I'm good. I'm comfortable. You know what I'm saying? If I don't got this car no more, I'm gonna switch to a whole nother something else. I probably want to go back. It depends. It depends on this electric. I'm gonna see how these electric cars go. But if I don't like the electric cars, then I'm gonna go another route. You know what I'm saying? ZL1, you know what I'm saying? Corvette, Z06, something like that. I'm gonna go another route, you know what I'm saying? So that's just me though. I'm good with my baby right here, man. Been holding me down. I love it. Pretty much what the jailbreak is, man. You just customize your vehicle how you want it. That's all it really is. It ain't just a special edition Hellcat or nothing like that where it's gonna be, oh, it's gonna look different, this and that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. But I just figured I'd talk about that so to inform people. Some people hadn't heard about it, didn't know it was coming out. I figured I'd just let y'all know about that. But wish it wasn't raining, wish it wasn't wet. Well, it ain't raining no more, but it's still wet. You know what I'm saying? I ain't pulling my car out in the rain. I just don't do that type of stuff. That's unnecessary. That's unnecessary wash I gotta go spend money on now, so I don't do that. But I do got some content on the way, so y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all share the video. We going up out 2021. But that's gonna be a wrap with the video. Y'all know I end all my videos. In the meantime, in between time to the next video, I'll let your boy, man. What's up?